Sarong and Anaway. Are you ready? Teu que o pai caiga, o paspas meu ali. Teu tá rua todo. A minha conta para passar dele. Como foi o mate ao que tentar o marcar na repone. Teu o foco o paspas aqui. Pai veio o ai valor que vai pio da fahi uma avo que foi fono que eu tal tal sei a ver. Teu tá rua sai peia ka pau ko tongani enia ko kai ki omo peo mo le o ki Australia Amerika Hawaii mo na tolo me mai he ngalo e he poni pe mo interneti ta toi fega pe teu ta ua tolu much better. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Great to have you here for our Hey Lala pageant this evening, and of course this is our Sarong and Island Wear evening. Malo lau mani Hawaii ki le ai tonga sola mai mulangi kotoa mo si mea mai he whiawhiri ki e holo whamanatu kuia o Queenstown o te me loto loka lofa pea mo e taha whoke tau ngahi polokalama he pōni ko te unga mata atahi pea mo e Island Creation he pōni tap mo e o tua o pio tau loto lotonga tapu mo e whaawhi whakalangilangi ko e pare mia leo leo o tonga se misi ki o asika whakatapo ke Hawaii ki mo matapule. Whakatapo ki he kau whaiwhikau mo haa taki loto. Whakatapo ki he kau whawhawhonga me he tau wharelea o tonga. Whakatapo makehe ki he kau whakamau o kua nau tolu ai whatongia maho inga ke whakamau i a polokalama kuia o i a whiawhini. O ato e whakatapo whoki ki kau whine mui hoi hoi fua ko nau kau mai ki whiau i a whiawhini pe whoki ki o nau kau pōpō ki o nau whaamiri mo nau kāinga o ko nau i heni i he whiawhini. E whakatapo whoki mo ki mo tolu, hau e ki mo kāinga ko mo si mea mai ki he holo whamanato Queenstown o te e whiawhini. Kai talangata i ati au o whaiki tua mamao e ata pē o e mo tua tuani ke whakahoko e whatungia o MC me he whoki ki a anolo manu te mawhai whatungia tu mamo tolu i he pōni. O kua ato hene tātalele mo tātale maa whana ki he polokalama koeni ai te unga mata atahi pe he whoki ki Island Creation he pōni koe pō hono tolu eni koe polokalama hono tolu ai tau whiau i kuia ai whiri mis hoi hoi fua ki he tau a whe mata hiwa wa whe maa ua noa. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd firstly like to acknowledge the presence of Almighty God here this evening. I'd like to acknowledge our guest of honour, our Acting Prime Minister, Honourable Se Misi Kiwansika. I'd also like to acknowledge our nobles of the realm, the nobility who are here this evening. Also like to especially acknowledge our members of our Tongan Parliament who are here tonight. Not forgetting our judging panel, scrutineers, our chair, who have the tough job this evening of judging tonight's programme. And also like to acknowledge all of our contestants who are in tonight's programme as well. Their supporters, their family and their relatives who have given up their time to be part of Hey Lala Festival for 2019. I'd also like to acknowledge all of you tuning in on TV this evening on radio throughout the kingdom, and those of you tuning in overseas through the power of the internet, and all of you who are here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, welcome to Miss Hey Lala Festival for our third evening this evening, which is our Sarong and Island Creation. Ki mua pia kamata e tau polokalama o e whiawhini o ku tau mo tuha ke whawhauki a kolori mo i langi ki he tau tamai e vani. Tunga ko ia, ko whie whawhawhi mai a whaiwhika o viri waka ke kātaki pe o mea mai ke whakahoko e tau lotu kamata i he pōni. Whaiwhika o viri waka, ko whaiwhika o tokoni ai se asi wesi ana tauataina o tonga i he wāhenga kolo mo tua. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to commit our evening to God in a word of prayer, and I'd like to invite Reverend Vili Vaka, who is Assistant Pastor at the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga in the Kolomotua district, if he would kindly make his way to the stage to give us a word of prayer and give tonight's program to Almighty God.
Kore me mua ke whawhea ki motor ki tau hanga ke ki e lotu ki kamata e katoanga e pōpōni ki tau lotu. Tua maf mau tamai tai ngat mo fai manawao fai fion na ke ngau ki mau toru yo I misi ke mo tatau ke mo tau mua pe mo kaveinga ki ha tangat ki mau mo ui ke mo fai longa e mo ui ke mau tau atai ke e mo mau fie o fa vitai la e mau toku ya fonua monomia mon bele a taka yo mau fonua o ke tonga me a tonga ke la go fie be a nya fio e mo fa le ha mo yo fo fa vitai o ku la ngari be a ku ki o fonua e ki pare mia ka ma no tokoni e ki lista ka mai ka nga we kotoa mau kurianga fa vitai o tua o Palere si kau fine mui ko pore na mui e tau poin ke na fataki ai mai mua ka fakafa mau fata wange o tua pa mau no tu fai via pa ke fa koloa ki na tolu ngai tare ni o ke fa koloa ki na tolu e mo fatongi ai po ko ni o tu mau fata wange e lang ia be a fiona ngai tare ni ti ngai kolo ke fa kolo atu ma nga te to apa ya ai ki minista ka ko fa lang yo ko ni lo tu be ma fa ta wa fa la mari le ya fion o tamayo iki ka mai po tu nga we ka taki o nga we nga ni o to ma lo tu be ma fa ta wa fa ta be ki na to ka mai si ka whakamau o ui ki nau tolu ki nau whakamau ai te au o e whiawhi koe ni whatongia o mawhatuki ka pe mau kau pe mo e awhio whawheta mau i kuna noa pe e whatongia koe o ngā te utua pe mau whatawang whatongia o e whiawhi koe tu e o tua ke hā pe ai e mau whiawhia o e mau tuku mono ia e whanua taua tai na koe tu ke lang ia be a fio si ho e ki ko to be me a mai e fia fi ko ni o tu e mo kai nga ko to be tu ke ma minas e fia be ta bo e fia fi ko ni o tu ba tu ke lang ia be o a fio e fia te ma fa e ko ta ki a ma to le tu e fia fi ko ma fa fe ya o la ma le ha e le mai fa mal pa ke o fa ki ma to o be ngai hi ma ngai fai ka mai ngai whakari ari ko tō toa peo e whiawhi koe. Tu ke lang i ai peo a whi. Tā ki aki mau tōleo tō pa ki whakakato mea lotu mue mūku a ki atu mau lotu. Kori ko toa ngai mālo ini wafme tāo alo ko sisu kalaisi. Ka ko mau whamui. Amen.
Malo a pito o whaitangau vini waka, pe mai tau loto kamata koia o i Efia Whini. Te o ki whakahoko atu whakawawe pē ai ngahi tūtūni koia ha tau whare i e pōni. Ko e tau tūtūni uruaki, ko kone atu pē, mo e whakapapa po oni, ka pao ke ngāwe ake telefoni tōtō he pōni, a tāle lei hono ngāwe ake telefoni tōtō. Ka koe kore pē, mo e whakapapa, ka taki pē o tukutu hifo hono leo, ke o e tatangi e lolo tonga e polokalama o e pōni, e ko kao mo ia ha ki whakahohaa ia ki kauwhine mui lolo tonga, e nā o whakahoko e polokalama e whonga Stacey. House rule, first house rule tonight, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a mobile phone, yes, we encourage the use of your mobile phone, but please, if you could kindly turn the ringtone down so that it doesn't distract or deter from the performances on our stage this evening. Tutuni hono ua, ko e holo whamanatu ko i tsalote, o ku tapo whoki a Iwhitapaka i loto, ka pau o ko ke Iwhitapaka, ka taki pe o mea tuki tua. This, of course, is a no smoking venue. We'd kindly remind you to refrain from smoking tonight and smoke outside if you are a smoker. Very important that we have fun tonight and we cheer on all of our contestants. Before we get started, why don't you turn, hanga tuke toka taha tawhaaki o talanki ai, shh, ko Oscar Mata. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, can you put your hands together and welcome to the stage with their welcome opening item tonight, our 25 contestants of Miss Heilala Pageant 2019. Could I ask our contestants if you could kindly go and we'll have a re-entry again while we sort out our technicalities with our sound. Ko le atu ke kau whina mui whunga Stacey, ki mō kātaki pē o tau mea to peki tua. Kai toi ka mata whakalele e tau polokalama pōni, koe au kia ki palapale ma whakatikini kare CCI pē, moi musika mō kātaki pē. Ko ilo pē koe pōni, koe pō whakawhiawhia, kai koe pō ki tau lotoa mahi, ka tau marimari ma tau whiawhia. Koe uhi koe tau pō sarong e nia, moi Island Creation. Ladies and gentlemen, great things come in big packages. Let's get ready to start again. Can we now put our hands together one more time for our 25 Miss Heilala contestants for 2019? Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, please put your hands together for our 25 Miss Heilala 2019 contestants. Hoki mo kainga mo pasipasi mai ai kau whina mo e tamongo fulamani ma ko nau lesa sita ke vei pā ki e kalau ni koia o Miss Heilala ki he taoni wape ma tā hiva. Wa ta telele ki a tingi mau tolu hou e ki mo kainga o mo mea mai i he pōni. Ko e hoko atu ko ini, te o kore ake ki kau whine mui. O whawhelo aki ato taha pe ki nau tolu he pōni, ke whahe ki lea taritari, ke tau ilo ko hai honau hingoa, ko hanau tau motua, pe he whoki ke wheitukuia, o ko nau lele mai me ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to introduce our contestants this evening, one by one. they'll have an opportunity to introduce themselves formally to you all this evening, their name, their age, and which part of the Kingdom of Tonga that they come from. Let's warmly welcome now our very first contestant tonight, contestant number 1, Miss Doi Doi Fashion.
Tonga kotoa pe, ko hoku hingoa ko soana whalahola a lewa, ko whanau tamau ai otu motu lalo, wakatau mai, vai ko kana kana, moi waki moi toi. Malo au pito tu awha.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 2, Miss Fe'unu Kola.
Ko hoku hingoa, ko whioka aki, ke haulani laula, ko ta'u tahamalu eni, ko lele mai mei, ahio lakai, ahau, kolomotu a, tuitui tamale, niu toa, kolomotu, kolonga, hosi dea kuomotu, utulonga a, malo vito.
Let's welcome to the stage now contestant number 3, Miss Alovili Holmes.
Jane Alovili. My family come from all over Tonga, but my dad was born in Waini, my mother from Kolonga. Malo avito.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, Miss Salone Accounting Services.
Ko mano tu whangalawe mai. Ko e ko lele mai, me he makahili taha, fotu haa pai, vai ko niu toa, niu topu tapu. Selailua, Samoa, Navai, Folaha, bea mo hala tonga lewa, longo teme, tonga tapu. Opa aku.
Let's welcome contestant number 5, Miss Ewa Tourism. Put your hands together for contestant number 6, Miss Tonga Tourism 2019.
Maloe lele, ko hoku hingoa ko te nisi vai o 5 hafoka, ko kulele mai me funga vei mumuni, paanu ko nuka, ahau, hawhewa, me koi one one, o whātu.
Let's welcome contestant number 7, Miss Cruise Ships.
Malolele, ko kingoa ko sia ilompea basan tuipulon. Ko e kulele mai me maufanga kana uheka mai he fu cruise ship ai Pacific dot moi kapteni ke fai e maaalo. Ta ko ku mga matua ko lauka mo Steven Tuiploto. Longo teme folaha liwa fo'o uiha haapai Pia mo fepe na ovane ko mo wilo yung pinto. Oi ai. Ova pe ko maha aha fe he poni. Tua fato.
Contestant number 8, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ha'apai Tourism.
Balubi malafu, ogolele mai me tonga mamau ewa, taki moyaka, muhapai katoa. Ofa.
Contestant number 9, Miss Terra Pacific, Australia.
Malo e lau mali a ho eiki, pe malo lele ai tonga kotope. Ko hoku hingoa, ko nunia a kanete petelo. Ko e kulele mai me he utulonga a kolonga, ta aki moi aka, vai ko niu doa, baki moi toi, ha a to'u, wasla a, funga one taka, ha a feva mo matungu ha a pai. Ko whiwhi lahi ke whakponga i ato e Miss Terra Pacific Australia wa whetahahiwa. Malo au pito, tu o wha.
Contestant number 10, Miss Langakali e Vai Kopuna.
Malo na malia hueki pe malo lele tonga katoa. Ko hoku hingoa, ko peti na ayo tamo. O koe lele mai me ka hoa, Nuhuli American Samoa, vai ko kanakana, homale ia, pe moe mako hokowalu. Tua o whātu.
Contestant number 11, Miss Makawheke Resort. Contestant number 12, Miss SNS Trading USA.
Malolele and aloha! My name is Yehenar Sukot and I hail from the villages of Belehake, Ma'ufana, Fo'ui, and the beautiful Neyafu Vava'u. Maloa pito, tua o whaatu.
Contestant number 13, Miss Praxis Nasita Production.
Paleta bayangina. Koe kulele mai, pepo putu koholani, maka hoko balu. Upanga ilupe, baki moe toi, pahepa, masilamea, koe maka unga helo tu, malo apito.
Time now for contestant number 14, Miss Vava'u Tourism.
Ko asnate finao lolo hai tupo. Pea ko aklele mai pea me hakio mataika falevai pea mokoloa. Palo apito.
Welcome now, contestant number 15, Miss Praxis Radio Waves of the Pacific.
I Abraxas radio waves of the Pacific. Koe kulele mai, me e hikuta mole, hala mama o no, mao nuko nuka. Ha ano, vai kohiwa, hala leva pepe e pote laione. Lofa.
Let's welcome now contestant number 16, Miss Maka Hoko Valu.
Tonga masani malo elele. Ko hoko hingoa, ko seledute, Catalina Kinikini. And I hail from the beautiful villages of Matahao, Kolovai, and Uiha. Maloa pita o patu.
Let's welcome now contestant number 17, Miss Praxis Mutule Restaurant and Bar. Welcoming now contestant number 18, Miss Bowles Fashion.
Kia ora and talofa. Ko Kingoa, ko Kristina, ki Moana, malolo velofia. Pea ko lele mai, me he ahi o lakai, ta ki moiaka, toa ko te sina, wha ko te mea, maka ko Pauline. Pain tu ua, me mo sawai I Samoa, malo apito.
Next we have contestant number 19, Miss Bow Sports.
Maloe lele a tonga kotoa, ko kingoa ko le sieli tonga unga ke hau kafa, ko e kulele mai me tala fo'o, tataka motonga, maufanga, ofu, ne yafu wawau, pe o kom nofu I kola fo'o, tua o fatu.
Welcoming now contestant number 20, Miss Tonga, Australia 2019.
Ko hoku ingoa, ko anane seiso ma'umailei, ko e kulele mai me kolo fo'o, kolo motua, tataka motonga, fua motu, ha teho, a hau tonga tapu, mo whele toa wawau, malo au pito, tua au patu.
Moving now to contestant number 21, Miss Apraxis New Zealand 2019.
And warm Pacific greetings, Kainga Tonga. Ko hoku hingoa,
ko Genevieve Ilaisane Valu Pomee. Ko e kulele mai me funga whaua, taki moiaka, funga whanua, mo kilikili te fua. Malo apito o whātu.
Welcoming now contestant number 22, Miss Ministry of Infrastructure.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening and maloelele. Ko hakuhingoa ko o Tile Monica i emalata ikani. Ko egolele mai me hesia to taloke maka ko fele unga vai ko kana alofi niwe funga fonua onua eua pe o ko lo tonga nofo i hala mau ko la to fo malo apito.
Moving now on to contestant number 23, please welcome Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia.
Malolele ko hokuhingoa ko Finalolani Chantal Liu. Ko lele mai mea vai ko simo heu, ngalfa nifo, hamonga amawi, hufanga lupe, waki motoi. Malo apito.
Next we have contestant number 24, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019.
Malo elele, ko hoku ingoa Teresa Kamausu Mafileo. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I hail from Kolomotua. Malo pito.
And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, our 25th contestant in this year's pageant, please welcome Miss Apraxis LJ Hooker Real Estate.
And warm Pacific greetings, Kainga Tonga. Ko hakuhingoa, ko Catherine Oka Hansen. Pe ko ikulele mai, me he kolofa'o, te takamotonga, la baha, maufanga, hupanga lupe, pe mo sia manelai. Malo pito tu o patu.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you put your hands together for all of our 25 amazing looking contestants tonight for Miss Heilala 2019. Whangamaini koini o ko koreange ki he CEO pe koe pule kuia o I potonga o e takimamata a tonga me sesione finao moala mafi ke whakahoko e tau lea taritari I he pōni. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to afford this opportunity to the CEO of the Ministry for Tourism, Mr. Sione Finao Moala Mafi, if he could kindly come up and share our opening remarks for this evening. Mo pasmasi mai, Sione Finao Moala Mafi.
Afia la vele mari ma ni ta ma o na se tini e ko lawe yu ta wi he na wea na ope o yo ko kore ai ke u par par te ku ata ta kato pe fonwa e ko lo tu e ta ho ko I fa no dia ko ni lo tu mai e fa fini ata e fa ta mu ni ki e pala mi ale o para po se misi io la fisica Kau maaf okay lista mo drink Dr. Water dia mo lista mo be fin ato de fata ki ya pasa mata kama o eti mata baba hen ko tu ki pa fu ka fare rea ka ko se ai ya o bi ka kato he ki o me bi pa fare rea mo be hen ato fata baba hen ki da to ai ta judges Ke ke sea ka na tole ko famau ta o tita na ka ho na foto kia kwa ni no to mai oi no kalama vai fa ta pa he ki ka fene bui e to o fu ma ni no na ka mai ke ka u ki priviso ta o ni ta ke to ka pa he ki he na to lu ai ka tau hi ka sponsors wat e fa malo pa he fa fu ka te lista ka ma ai ko bi no ka le programa ko ni e to ko mo tai bi nga ko no mori na to lo lava mai na no muri ya tu ko mutai ni ka mo lava mai ki tau kau nga fa taha i ro ka to na i ke he lala o wa fa taha i ba a ke fo ki tau kau nga kau mo tau to lu i he ka to na i ko ya a hi fo tamatu o ya ko tai tai mama he ki mo to yo mo lava mai me muri ki tau kau i ngai programa ko ni ta he ki tau to lu i tahi mo tai tai le ki mo to tai le ki mo to mo fa no mai mo mea mai na wea i nga ponua ke he murena ke he ki tonga o ia ko te fam te mo ma programa ke fia e poni ke ngai programa to nga wiki malo apito tu avatu
Mo Masima ia e CEO ko ia ai potunga o e takunawata a tonga me sesione final mo ala mafi ia mai tau he tari mai poni ki mo ai pe tau hoko atu ho e ki mo kai te o maho inga ke whakailonga i he whiawhini a ngai kautaha mo ngai business i tonga ni ko nau tokoni mai i he hono pōpō i ko ia o i tau whiau hi kātoanga wiki he lala o e tau ni wawhe mā tā hiva. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take a moment now to acknowledge our corporate sponsors whose kind generosity has ensured that our He Lala Festival is going ahead and is a great success for this year 2019. Starting off with our elite sponsors this evening, Fiji Airways, the Government of Tonga, Ministry of Tourism, MBF Bank, Real Tonga Airlines. Our platinum sponsors are the Bank of the South Pacific, Digicel Tonga, Office Equipment, the People's Republic of China Embassy here in the Kingdom of Tonga, Ports Authority and Tonga Power Limited. Our gold sponsors tonight is CCECC, Little Italy, the National Reserve Bank, Nishi Trading, Sunshine Rental Cars, the Tanoa International Dayline Hotel, Tonga Water Limited, Waste Authority Limited. Our silver sponsors are Asco Motors, Fexco Tonga Limited, Dolpha Ramsey Shipping, Tonga Communications Corporation TCC, Universal Clinic and KCT Ladies Wear, Vaitohi Enterprises. And our supporting sponsors for the He Lala Festival of 2019 is none other than Adiloa Store, Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Black Pearl, Coca Enterprises, Cool Fresh, Coslow, Cruise Ship Taxi Association, Deep Blue Diving, E.M. Jones, the Friendly Island Hotel, 5 Star Finances Limited, Fresh Tea Design, the Friendly Islands Shipping Agency, Home Gas, JH Electrical Contractor and Services, JR Hiring, Kingdom Travel, Lehuni Waffle Bar, Likualofa Beach Resort, Lomaile Lodge, Ministry of Justice, Naughty Rubies, Nerus Pharmacy, New City, New IT, Nukualofa Outrigger, Ohole Beach Resort, Olini Lodge, Pacific Energy, Pacific Paint, Palo Aviation, Petani Quarry, Rising Sun Travel and Tours, Sellers Guest House, Siangana Travel, Spare Parts Zone, Soliana's Academy, Tawhalosa Corellas Greenhouse, Tali Eva Inn and Bar, Tawhatahi Charters and Fatai Kayaking, Tonga Airports Limited, Tonga Fit, Tonga Post and Fast Print, Weha and Sons Limited, Vakaloa Resort, and of course, Waterfront Lodge. Mo pasmasi mai kotoa ngai business mga kauta, kuna utawoni mai I hono pōpō I koia o I tauwhi awi ki he tauni. We have a very special item right now, ladies and gentlemen. Currently here in the Kingdom of Tonga, we have the reigning Miss Pacific Islands 2018-2019. Leoshina Mercedes Mercy Kariha. She'll be performing for us this evening a traditional dance item from her native country of Papua New Guinea. It represents the lifestyle of her people and their determination to look after themselves and their families. She's originally from the region of Bougainville and the central province of Papua New Guinea. Her parents are Henry and Rosemary. She has 3 younger brothers and enjoys singing, cooking, drawing, backpacking, travelling, and of course, Taekwondo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage Miss Pacific Islands 2018-2019, Leoshina Kariha, all the way from Papua New Guinea. Leoshina Kariha, mi tingting yo ogna like a one block good sing long PNG. Number 1 Mary from Papua New Guinea, then block M, Leoshina Kariha.
Suana tapo sini ni mana mana se poina. Hana mai dapat suruh di mana ni. Suah mau harta. Buat waru mau harta. Berperan mana mau harta. Berperan kini mau harta. Buat waru mau harta. Berperan mau harta. Berperan kini mau harta. Siap.
Put your hands together for the reigning Pacific Islands, one and only Miss Leoshina Mercedes Mercy Kariha. Kone taulunga he pōni, o mune ngawe aki a ngai haka ni tupu me moto koe ko Manus i he wahinga tokilau koia o Papua New Guinea. Malo au pito i he Miss Pacific Islands Lolotonga me Papua New Guinea, Leoshina Kariha, ka i he whainga maari e koe ni. Te tau hoko atu le vaini ki he whakapeite mei he tau Miss Heilala Wafe Mātaha Walo Wafe Mātaha Hiva. We're going to move now, ladies and gentlemen, to a tawalunga by our very own reigning Miss Heilala 2018-2019. Kalolaine Lepa Talia Ann Talei Louise Heolupe au Lui Moala ki la kepa lokotui fungani tau. She's 24 years of age, studying a law and arts degree. Her mother hails from the villages of Ha'awhewa, Monga One, Ma'ufanga, Makawe, and Utui. Her father hails from Fuamotu, Takamotonga, and France. Tonight she'll be performing a composition by Her late Majesty Queen Charlotte Tupou III entitled E Te Manatu.
Manatu,
together, ladies and gentlemen, for the reigning Miss Heilala 2018-2019. Hello, Laine Fungani Tau. Koe ne langi tau lunga e whiawhini, ofa me mure a Fusibala, ai koe mai moa, ai la a konga whanua, ko Queen Charlotte Tupo Tolu. Malo au pito, kalo Laine Fungani Tau. Ho eke mō kainga, ho kua tuini ki ona whakawhiloa ki atu ai sea, pia moe ka o whakamau, tēnā whaifatongi a mawotolu he pōni I he teipile koe a ka whakamau. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you our chair lady, panel of judges and scrutineers for tonight's Sarong and Island creation. Our chair lady this evening is no stranger to us here in the Kingdom of Tonga. Currently the CEO of the National Business Services for Tonga and Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mishka Tuifua. Our judges for this evening, our main judges, include Sam Vea. He has over 25 years of experience working in the private sector in the Kingdom of Tonga, also an agent for DHL Express and DHS Global, the sponsors of the 2019 Rugby World Cup. With over 5 years of experience in the Tonga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, currently the Vice President. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sam Vea. Our next judge this evening, Eleni Leveni Tevi. Eleni Tevi of Fasi Moyafi heads the European Union office here in the Kingdom of Tonga. She is a mobiliser of the Fasi Community on Drugs-Related Neighbourhood Watch and the founder of the No Bless Tiki campaign here in the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our judge, Eleni Leveni Tevi. Our next judge tonight is Molly O'Rourke. Now, Molly O'Rourke is the chairperson for the Miss Pacific Islands pageant Papua New Guinea and the official chaperone of the reigning Miss Pacific Islands 2018-2019. With over 10 years of experience in local and regional pageants, and during the last 10 years has been the Miss PNG has won 2 Miss Pacific titles, one in 2015 in the Cook Islands and the current Queen in the Kingdom of Tonga in 2018. 12 years of experience in hospitality and tourism, involved in women's groups in the community, providing activities and mentoring to support their livelihood. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the Kingdom of Tonga, Miss Molly O'Rourke. Next, we'd like to give a warm talofa lava Malola Soifua to Leata McCarthy. Leata Mailo McCarthy is a 35-year-old female entrepreneur, a wife and a mother of 2. She is the owner and designer of Leata Fashion Boutique and Gift Shop. Leata brand has been around the Pacific since 2007, and they have, of course, got fashion shows and been in the Kingdom of Tonga, and also represented internationally in Samoa, Fiji, Aotearoa, New Zealand, and American Samoa. Leata was a judge for Miss Heilala and Miss Pacific Islands in 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm Samoan welcome to Leata McCarthy. Our next judge tonight is Sal Finyanganofo. Salesi Misieli Finyanganofo is a business manager at the Bank of the South Pacific, looking after HR and marketing. Interests lie in the areas of financial literacy, climate change, and people. Also enjoys teaching swimming with the Hakula Swim Club. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Salesi Finyanganofo. Hokuateni ki kau a tita to go scrutineers ki poni. Ladies and gentlemen, our scrutineers and auditors this evening is Malakai Lomosika, CEO for Waste Authority Limited, and Michael Anthony Bloomfield, CEO for the Retirement Fund Board. Mo pasmasi mai e o a tita una whaifatongia mamotolu I he e whiawhini. O ike mo kaika. I he pōni, he whakahoko atu ai tau Island Wear, Island Creation, e mai Sarong he pōni. Ka koe hoko, he kei kamata ia me whine moi whika uluaki, e kamata ia he pōni me whine moi whika ua nima, ua wha, ua tolo, o hoko pe ki he o whakaosi aki ai whine moi whika uluaki. Our order of contestant tonight has changed. Instead of starting with contestant number 1 through to 25, we will be starting with contestant number 25 and moving our way through the list through to contestant number 1. Our first contestant on the stage tonight for our traditional wear. Please warmly welcome to the stage contestant number 25, Mr. Praxis LJ Hooker Real Estate, Catherine Offa Henson.
Francis L.J. Hoover, Real Estate, Catherine Offa Hansen. Tulo moe hau e whanua, bea behe ki ha moe ofo, bea behe ki e pule anga tonga, bea behe ki e kimoutolu han kotoa, o mo mea mai i he malmalo e peapini, ke mo mamata ki he teunga ngau i whapanua o tonga. Kaya tā mai ki i whine motuani, ke hao hake i he ngahi talamalu, kua osi o noa whaki. Tuei, tuei, he koe tau whaistoria ni ke ukau ai, pe ai tohi ki he tohi o i ku mana tū. Koe ku kau whananga ki o no whawhewhiai, ai au alo i o tau hau koe tui o tonga, pe a koe hau e o tu wherente. Ko ku te unga ke he mea pini ne ngau i o whatatau ia, ke e ku lau kawaki ai ngau i koloa tu konua o tonga. Aia koe ngau ia me ngatu, koe kofu a hoku sino, ke ngahi i o wau katoanga koe ia tonga eiki. Koe teu ki hoku teunga koe tohe, le whama ia i he mātanga ko Pukeroa o Aotearoa. Ne ongo ai gulere mai me whanua muri, ka o ku tā tongi hoku tonga i hoku mafu, ke utu whetu he whewhini o whaka ari atu a teunga whakatonga to tonu, pe o ku teu a kia, ke oua na toi kepo haraha i he whaleni. O mea mai pe ke whaunga ngahi koe ia te ngani. O wikai te toi hela whamatala, he koe ngahi koloa tū whanua eni, o ku laukawangi e masiva pia moe tū maarie, i he ngahi aoni. O kou loto ke whaheni i he wapini, ai mauinga ai ngau e aki koia, ho tau ngahi koloa whatonga ki he teu, a whine mui pia mehoki ki he whine, kotoa o tonga. Tua o whalahiatu, kau ngata he, malo bito.
Number 25, Mr. Praxis L.J. Hooker Real Estate, Catherine Offa Hansen. Hoko atoini ki contestant Fiku Afa. Ladies and gentlemen, moving now to contestant number 24. Can you warmly welcome to the stage Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019, Teresa Tamausu Mafileo. Tapu moe whaate whakalangi au wiki kātoanga he lala masani au wāte mātā hiva. Pe tapu o haapulake he whairatara, kai ata ke whai halawelare atu ki kake o Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia ki e pōni. Ke whaafoki ho tautala tuku whakaholo ki kamataanga, e koe mauluta anga ia o nofo a kainga. Ai whai ka vei koula ai Tonga, nā tawhia he kua hake mai e ngahi whakalakalaka. Pea ko kamata ke vāvā tau ho tau ki whanua, o mori ai e tauhi waka amamahi I mea ai loto tō pehe ki ofa whanua. Kai tuko mua ki o whoki au ki ngowe I teni, mohono masani. Ko ia, ko e ko whoto he pōni. Ko e whakataipe ia ki au ki wala o e ulua ki whewhine a iwi. Ko iwi au, me lata ai a atama, pe ko iwi au, neu kai e whiki, I to punga e hinga e uluaki tangata. E hinga uluaki tangata, ko hoku whaka ofa moi masani hoko te unga. E nei ka katoa e whai ka vei koula ai Tonga. Seuke, na pehe ko te talai hanga mai, he ko hoku te unga he halu, te tā pe fusi kotoa pe ia, lei he tapa o paka I Papua. Ai a kau I loa koia, koe fue io, ai fue o ko aoka. Kia na whanga e whangapuanga, ku whanga e whangatapuru. Aoka, ki whai toa whanga te rolo, koe Papua. Io, koe katoa hono te unga, ne ngau katoa pē ia, e he eko mea tangata, e a tama, lolotonga e ma I parataisi. Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 24, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia 2019, Teresa Tamosu Mafileo. Ladies and gentlemen, moving now to contestant number 23. Please welcome to the stage Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia, Finalolani Chantel Liu. Lady Chantel Liu is 20 years old. She hails from the villages of Esion, Tau Hokaukamea, Vaenko Saimoheo, To'oneseriva, Galufana Nifo, Ha'aponga Maui, Pu'whangalupe. She was born here in the Kingdom of Tonga, moved to New Zealand in 2003, and is currently studying level 3 in hospitality. She loves playing netball, basketball, and volleyball. Her goal in the future is to become a full-time model, and she's representing her father's business. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Tyre Runner Express Australia, Finalolani Chantel Liu. Her honour creation tonight is the Bird of Paradise. Moving now to contestant number 22, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 22 is Miss Ministry of Infrastructure, Otile Onika I Emalata I Kani.
Kapu moe whawhe whalangangi, pea pehe ki hau eiki ngā tā moa, ke whao watu a hauku whanonga. Tuku moa ke ukau I whiwhia pea moe malari a hau. Isa, ko ku whanongani koe ku lele mai, ke whakaha a e ku lau kaungaki a hauku ki whatongia, aia koe sewa niti mai kakai e whanua. Ko ku wala Island Creation koe ngai kotoa peia, Ia tau whanuani, aia o tokoni lahia ki tau langa whalalaka. Aia o mawinga ki tau tukanga kina ngai koloa koe ni, ko ihi ki tau ausia ha tonga o ku masani tūloa. O ku whakatai me whongi a ku kakeini, ai ngai whatongi a mawhatu I tuki, o ku au whakaunga tā maki ai, I he pune anga tupou me pou eiki. Kau lawa lewa aku pe I o ku kakei uluaki. Ko hoku kakei ne ngauhia me he wheta aki. Ko e ku manatu me lie ki he tau whatunga motua o e nofo ai tō ngā I ono aho. Ko whakamau whakaperesese ai ngahi wheta aki. O whehu whaaki ke mālohi o hange peha leia. O ha whariki makamaka ko tautou huahuai pia mo lolololai. Io ke mao popo, ua, koe ngahi koloa o fuani o lunga i e whenaki, ko e ngahi pakakoloa ke hea o e whoruani. Ai au ngai ke taulanga whakalalaka o kaukiaia e one, fōanga makalahi, bea mehe ki e hepe pui papa, me he ngahi a kau papa o e whoruani. Tolu koku ka kei, ko whakatata o a hala pule anga, varita, whaka ofa, fo o ko ngawi, ke tuha mo tau, bea whainga maari e lelei, mo whainga fua ki e whepanonga aki, i e lele atu, bea mo e lele mai. Ko e wha, ko e hala pule angani, na e whakauawi lahi, a e whaunga ke ngawi aki. Bea whakanau ka kato ke tau mo whiunga, ki hono loloa, matolu, bea mo hono whalahi poki. Kai tatau, o tuku lotoa, a ene tolonga bea mo tūloa, ke whewhenga mo mālohi a ia, i he mālohi tau potu. O hange a pūlai sima, io bea ke matuaki, io kai mataria ke haha a koia natula, bea mo e ngahi mau whakatupu e tangata, bea koe nima, me atu, koe varita lanu uri, me initia ko whanai e whunga makamaka, o osi wholahia i e whunga hala. Lava bea mono a puhi atu, a hono one ki he varita, ko no whakanau ka kato o kau atu bea koe maka pōhoanga, koe maka ngā ue mawinga. Pe ko ki hepe pui papa, ko e nā he koe toenga ia me he ngā ue langa whare a wha, o kita ai potu ngā ue. Pea koe o no. Koe ai, ko ku kakeini, la ku whiri me ia, e ko lau kau aki. Pea u whakamisia, ke toi lelei ake a e ku whahoko whatongia, pea ke ku uloa, mō masani ai pe adonga, Ministry of Infrastructure.
Gentlemen, o tia morekai e malata I kani is from the villages of Sia Kotoloke, Makakopeleunga, Vaikokanakana, Oholoa Ewa, and Alofi Niue, but is currently Tauneva in Halamamokola Tofoa. She loves dancing, reading, serving others, and spending time with loved ones. Otile graduated from the Bowl Tertiary Institute with a New Zealand diploma in Business Management and Human Resource major. Our next contestant on the stage, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 21, Miss Praxis New Zealand 2019, Genevieve Ilaisane Palukome. Tulo, iyo, whakatolo atu. Tonight, I stand honored in your presence and declare I am a proud Whiwhine Tonga. I gratefully share with you this island creation which signifies the essence of our culture, our values, our religion, and our identity, woven together by the touch of a Whiwhine Tonga. The weaving process begins from the original plant itself, the pandanus plant or the whalahola plant, aka fukuwha. It is with the Whiwhine Langa to select the finest, shape the thinnest, aunoa, autaha, and weave the perfect design in provision to offer, with love and aspirations, that we are the friendly island kingdom of Tonga. My island creation comes in 4 pieces. First, the outer garment gown. I'm covered first with the lawi paumo, grown, woven collectively with bauma roses to top the fashion with warmth and the love symbolizing Christianity and its egg protection over king and country. The bauma leaves are also layered orderly to ensure e kei tonga pea tonga o tuputupua. The second piece, I salute and dedicate it to my father, the late Agusitino Sione Hemaloto po Me'e. I hereby wear my ta'ovala to thank you for everything. This ta'ovala represents my past, my present, and my future. Iyo, te uno'o, te kahoku loto, pea te ulaukau aki, te kaho'o ahoe. The ta'ovala signifies, Daddy, you are my hero. You are my inspiration. The bauma leaves are woven, shaped, and designed to show the circle of love we share. Rest in peace and love, my dear father. The third piece, evening gown. This is the essence of our identity. The whalahona leaves, in its most exquisite texture and colour. The kiehina, lo akau uri, mo lawi bauma tonga, all woven together to symbolise Otua Motonga, ko hoku towhia. To top it all is the red seeds of love from the moho plants, glittering as pearls to express my love for my island kingdom of Vava'u. Fourth piece, my headpiece, Seio Whawhine o Parehanga. This woven headpiece simply expresses the complete touch to my island creation. I stand tall and speak for young women of Tonga. Always stand with courage, resilience, persistence, diligence, and you will flourish in life. Ofa'atu to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Apraxis New Zealand 2019, contestant number 21, Island Creation. Ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Apraxis New Zealand 2019, Genevieve Ilaisane Valupo Me'e, contestant number 21. Island Creation Koe Oi Poni. Tawa mai ni ki he contestant Fiko Anoa. Moving now to contestant number 20. Please make a warm welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, to Miss Tonga Australia 2019, Ana Nasesa Ma'u Ma'ile. Miss Tonga Australia 2019, Island Creation of Ana Nasesa Ma'u Ma'ile. Tulo, kau whakamalu-malu atu mua, he aho mohono ka venga. Ai ma'i moa, fisi-fisi moa, oi o no'i kuonga. My Island Creation gown is entitled The Goddess of the Isles. Created by the renowned, the talented, the innovative Tonga designer Moana Creations. The bodice of the handmade gown is made from the Tongan tapa, which resembles the empowerment and contributions the Tongan woman has made to her family, culture, including the Kingdom of Tonga. The mother pearls of the Goddess of the Isles represent the pride and the natural beauty of the island waters. The kafa, off-shoulder pattern, shows her elegance as she carries the weight of her people so beautifully. No gown is complete without the accessories, and the Goddess of the Isles comes with a 3-star pair of earrings made out of the tapa. Each star representing one of the 3 main islands of the kingdom, Tongatapu, Ha'apai, and Vava'u. The 3 colours, white, blue, and black, representing our Heavenly Father, our blue ocean, and our motherland. The goddess of the Isles is complemented with a hairpiece, strung together and decorated with mother of pearls. This signifies solidarity and unity among our Tongan people. The goddess of the Isles is a true representation of Koe o Tua, mo Tonga, ko hoko tō whia. God and Tonga are my inheritance. Tō owa e ki atu kua o ana na seisa mao maile, Miss Tonga Australia 2019. Montoi pasmasi mai a Miss Tonga Australia 2019 ana na seisa mao maile. Let's give a warm welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, for contestant number 19 in our island creation this evening, Miss Bow Sports, Lisieli Tonga Ugakia Hau Kafa.
Lesieli Tonga onga ki he hau kapa. Wharapu ke o tua mawhi koe tui o ngai tui. Wharapu ke la hopo o e otu wharenike. Ke ki tupo wono. Kui nanas bau o na whare. O e whawhe wharangangi o mea. Ka e umaa e kau whawhine hoi hoi fua. O ngau ihe wharaha e gini. Ka ulawe ki o te unga isa a hoku kake ie. Ko e whakakau ko o whakau mai ai siare mohe. Ka e whungani aki ai ngahi a kau tupua o tau whanua. Ko e ngahi koloa o kumau pei e tongani i o tau ngahi matawhanga. Ko e mawanga po uhia ai whawhine tonga i he ngau e whamea a. Tahi ne tangina mo e heilala loa o loto poha. Tulo watu kau lawe ke ngai a kau tupua o e utu lunga a. Ko e siare mohe, ko e toria i hala tangina. Ko e pure nai tufia i whanga o e api ko hua kawa. Ko e whakalaulau noa ia ki e tahine ko tangina au me e. Ko e tui, ko e nima mea aia e ongo whawhine me e siare haiwala bea mo e whanga ko e merine. Ko e lopa mea mo e hana, ko e tori a he halahi fōku, ke u whakamei te ki a lawini a veioko. Ko e whau na sia me he funga wailahi, o whakamau ki ai a hoku te unga, ko e kāinga eikia e utangata eiki. Ko e ngau e whamea a, ko e pōpō ia ki e langa whanua whawhine tonga, ka ko e mai moa i loa e laa kunga whanua, kuin salo te tupautolu. Ko no whakatutu hoku kakei. Ko e ngau e mea e kukui nā uri o ko Bryce. Pea mo e ku whae isa ko e kupuna ke. Tupou Seini Bryce. Tata motonga, talau, ne iau wabau. Api ko henghengi a tonga, hala tau whaahau. Kolofo o whātu mo e loto honga i a mōni.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the Island Creation category, this is contestant number 19 on the stage, Miss Bow Sports, Lisieli Tonga Ugakia Hau Kafa. We'd now like to welcome to the stage in our Island Creation category this evening, contestant number 18, ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only Miss Bowls Fashion, Cristina Kibuana Malolo Velofia. Mo paspasi mai ai contestant tingatahabano Miss Bowls Fashion.
Ko e Island Creation no e Bones Fashion. Koe Island Creation and Miss Bones Fashion ko ha whakakaukau fu'uia o ngawe ake taha e koloa mawinga ai whiwhine tonga koe loa kau kie. Ko a kie tonga nai lalanga pia tui tui ke whena apasi pia mono manako. Ko no Island Creation o malawa be ke hoko ko a kofu po pe ko a kofu mali pe a kuanga pe heti. Ko konga ki o runga kono kofu o tui o teuteu a kia ai fua i whalahola ke whakamahino ke kakai tonga o ku malawa be e ngahi natural resources ko ni o ngahi aki hawala o i kuonga e kune whawhai ai Bones Fashion. Pe koe konga ki lala hono kofu koe lawi kie nai sia ke ne whakapotonga ai pea u mai taau o e hake mai. Ai ngahi liliu ko ia ki he mo ui ai tau tupu i a ngai ao ni. I hono konga loto o whakatai me ia ki a kie ngao i aki ai kawhapulu koe fua i whanahola. O no o ki hono konga loto ke whamahino hei kai lawa ke wesia. E ne tonga mo ui i he trao o e whiririwa ki tupu mehe. Hai koe ia e whanua ki hono konga loto. I he konga koe ki mua hono kofu ko a ulu whiunu ia. I ne toi me hono whatu hono ki e tonga. Ko hono headpiece ki hono ulu. Ko e ngāhia me fua i whalahola. Pa moe tua niu o ne whakapotonga mai e masani. Moe malu e tau whai ka mei koula. Neo moa i e ngahi haa pa moe whiriri waki o kuhoko tau kure anga. O koe mono whakapongamoko ko ha kahoa whalahola. Mono vesa pe mono pesi pe moe hau pe mono su ne ngahi kotoa ia ke hoa ki ono teunga i e poni whanaha ia pe mono a vei ko e designer o lolo futu handicrafts mei waringatoni. Nusi laia kataka mo pasasi mai Miss Bones Fashion wa taiwa ki skina ki moana malolo velo fia.
Listina is 20 years old. Comes from the beautiful villages of Ahiola Kai, Daki Moyaka, Toako Teisina, Whako Pia Mea o Tumotu Lalo, Makako Pauline, Painitu Ua, Paki Moitoi, Whangalaulea, and Savai Samoa. Ready to grace the stage right now in our Island Creation category is contestant number 17. Contestant number 17, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Apraxis Gutule Bar and Restaurant Kioma Belenadita Mahoni Lavulo. Mo pas masibay a contestant Fika Tahafitu.
Mr. Princess Gutule Bar and Restaurant, Miss Guilma Belenadita Mahoni Lavulo. Koe ke ufanga i e whatapu, ka rā ke ulame atu ki o kukakei i wala whakaailani ki e pōni. Ko hoku wala koe kofu pisi e raha, o ku ngāhi me lau i pōkoi, nai tatao o melo, pia tui ki e lai wheta aki. O toki whawhisi aki a e pito i whau, maa o e otomotu hapai, kolonga tata masani. Ko e nima o whakataipe ki he a kenga o i kuonga, pia whakatau mua ki a aho ewe ewa ki e kānoanga cocktail. My Island Creation for tonight is a cocktail piece. It's handmade from the mohokoi, leaves and fowl. Tôi có thể mai Miss Apraxis Gutule Bar and Restaurant, Miss Guilma Belenadita Mahoni Lavulo.
Kioma is 20 years old. She is currently a full-time student at Waikato University, studying towards a Bachelor of Law. And her hobbies are learning new things, history, exploring museums and historical attractions. And her goal is to help her parents financially with her future career. Ladies and gentlemen, this is contestant number 17, competing in our Island Creation category, Miss Praxis Gutulei Bar and Restaurant, Kioma Pelanatita Maholi Lahulo. As with all of our island creations this evening, we'd like to acknowledge the time spent by all the designers in the background to ensure that all our island creations are of such a high standard this year in 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move along right now to contestant number 16 to grace our stage. Please put your hands together for Miss Makahokovalu Senetute Catalina Kinikini.
Sanctify this land for me. Here are their stories. In 1953, Queen Charlotte de Beau's charm and dignity captured the hearts of the world during the coronation of Queen Elizabeth. It was raining in London, and instead of withdrawing into shelter, Queen Charlotte sat gracefully in the downpour of rain. This royal modern gown is dedicated to Queen Charlotte. It is made entirely from traditional tapa cloth. Each piece was cut, pressed, and placed strategically to display the beauty of the tapa cloth art. This creation was hand-sewn by designer Afa Alu, and its creation and vision that represents humility and grace. Just as Queen Charlotte displayed humility and grace in the presence of another queen, I offer the same humility to serve the people of Tonga. Le'o Tukui Fale Lani, the name of my great-grandmother, born November 12, 1905 in Uiha Ha'apai, Tonga. She was a woman of faith and virtue.
This skirt is handcrafted material, otherwise known as viho. My name is Seletute Catalina Kinikini. God connects me to my ancestors and has blessed me with this Tongan heritage. This dress, hand-sewn Ngatu Fisi, represents modesty, the epitome of the Tongan culture. My island creations made by Ngatu, Fihu, Ngatu Fisi are in tribute to the morals of the land. God and my country are my inheritance.
Enemies come rise. You feel helpless and you look into the sky. Some people would say to accept defeat. Well, if this is fate, then we'll find a way to cheat. 'Cause we'll say a little prayer.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Makahokobalu, contestant number 16, Seletute Catalina Kinikini. Watu hini tatele kia hongo i te wokaika o mo mea mai i televisione me monitio i te poni. E whoki atiki mo tolu kuia o mea mai me i tua purianga i interneti. O watu hanga tono i tau porokalamo i poni me i holofa manatu kuit sanote me i loto lupa nofa. Ai o koe po hono tolu i porokalamo hono tolu koe. Te ungu matatahi pe mai Island Creation i he tau ki auhi whiri hoi hoi fua Miss Heilala au a he maata hiva. We have 25 contestants this year. We are going in a reverse order this evening from contestant number 25 through to contestant number 1. Let's give a warm welcome now to the stage though to contestant number 15. Please put your hands together for Miss Apraxis Radio Waves of the Pacific, Kioma Bernardita Mahoni Lavulo. Whakapepa, ka koe nia o kuato ai contestant whanoko ki te taha nima. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 15, the Praxis Radio Waves of the Pacific. Please welcome Tonga, Tangia Tonga Latu, 22.
Mr. Praxis, Radio Waves of the Pacific, Tangia Tonga o Tukolo Latu. Tangane Tonga, tulong bua hei, kau lawe atu, kia ku teunga whairani ke bori. Ko ku teunga koe kofu ki ha kānoa a mani, moe whai ako. O ku tui tui whakonga mua, o hangea staila whakapikatoria. O ku ngau i me he whenaki, moe fōi moho, koe akau tuk whonoa. O ku teuteri aki ai moho, hono mua mara, pea moe nima. O ku kosi whamatala akau ai whenaki, o tui ki he pōteni koe ni. Hange hawakana niwi, o ka angi ki hono matangi. Ko ngaki mui oi ko ku, o ku teua kia ai kaha. My island creation for tonight is a Victorian era dress, is suitable for all women size, to portray the values of our four golden pillars. Tua Ovatu, Miss Radio Waves of the Pacific.
Contestant number 15 on the stage, Miss Apraxis Radio Waves of the Pacific from Aotearoa, New Zealand, Miss Tangia Tonga Latu. Tangia Tonga Latu is 22 years old. She hails from the villages of Otungake, Leimatua, Hunga, Ha'ano, Ha'avakatoro, Halaleva, and Kolofo'o. She is currently studying for her law degree in Auckland University of Technology while working as a sales rep for Vodafone in New Zealand. Her goal is to finish her studies, continue doing modelling, and also to become a humanitarian aid worker. Her hobbies are swimming, running, hiking, travelling, and dancing salsa. She also loves modelling and spending time with her family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage is contestant 15, Mr. Praxis Radio Waves of the Pacific, Tangi o Tonga Latu. Trust you're enjoying our island creation this evening from the Miss Heilala pageant for the year 2019, live from the Queen Charlotte Memorial Hall here in the heart of the royal capital, Nuku'alofa, in the Kingdom of Tonga, the true South Pacific. Contestant number 14 is about to grace the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Miss Vava'u Tourism, Asinate Finau Loloahi Tupo.
Mo e talamalo e whanua, kapu ki hau toka tonga, kaine koini mo e tulu mafua. Whakatulong atu ki e whawe whalangangi e kātoanga, kai tuku ke ata, pia mofua, ke kala e whatongia, o ki waka te kina me e whanapata mawhana, i he aho maalari e whanua, kai lawe atu ki e kakei, o ki whine motuani ka iloa koini. Kono te unga, ko e wheta aki, ne tākia e kupesu manlua, e whakawhae me vai ko tuku te le. Pea sani aki e koka o e alo i talau, mo e akai nonu o Nazareti. Ko e mata i to whei, na e ukupia he ne whakawhae tangata, me he tuariku o koloa. Ko e puengi, Lai o mai ia me one siliva, o mui homa, e siko ele noa, mo e whanga ko kepeliti, e o whangingi laia i he fuwha mo whimea. Ko e kawa, ko e fo i niu pulu, ne tori mai e me e whangatonga ane, me o tumapa, mo e kolo mahina, pia whia he ne whangatamai, o tatao i weisiare. Whakamore atu nā taku ko te nimo i talapau. Ka kua pauaki ai ngā au e whakataka, ai nofo a kāinga, haa, ka moe nofo a whamiri. Ki ono teke ai mai moa a tupo, pia nawei aki ai wha i kawei koula. Whakapamapa, io, mamahi mea, koe loto tō, pia moe tau hiwa. Lewe e malanga, koe te tau atu.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 14, Miss Vava'u Tourism, Asinate Finau Loloahi Tupo. Asinate is 25 years old and hails from the villages of Hakio and Vava'u. The next contestant to grace our Heilala stage here in the Kingdom this evening is contestant number 13. All the way from Aotearoa, let's make a warm welcome tonight to Miss Praxis Nasita Production Lolohea Salome Liakinehe Ofa Vaiangina, contestant number 13.
Nasita Production. Tulong mo e talamalu i whanua. Ka ataha ki whine motu atuani. Ke le whakahau po atu i whewhini, ai tō o whatongia, pia mo e oko mo ne whai. Hono tānaki ke whakakato ai te unga auri o e Miss Nasita o Praxis New Zealand. Kono te unga ne auri a me he ngatu wheta aki, mui, me he api o e kaupaya. Ko e kongonga wheta aki o wiai e ngatu uri. ne vali aki e tongo, pea mewa ke ngatu, vali umea, pea koe lano e hina, pea koe lano tumu aia o e otu whelite. Koe teo ngā poki koe ni, o whakatatau anō ngā hui, koe mōtenia o e kofu whatonga, pea kohono hui e taha, koe ngā hui, tau mo tanga ia, I hono tongi tongi, pea mohono lalanga, pea mohono whi, mo ngāwi o niko niko I aki ai matala kau, ke whakapua ake teunga o I whine moini. Ko taha poke ngai teunga ni o ku teu teu ia ke te hio, ke te lawa o lue moia, pea pehe poki ke te tamutu, ke ngari pea mo e tau mua, ko e teunga ngāhi whakatonga. Koe kopuni e malama ke ngāo e akia, ke ngahi o aulalahi tongani hangei koe mari, whai aho. Pē ko hawhahi ngā uau pē. Koe teunga poki koe ni, ko no ngahi aki ai ngahi mea mei tongani, o ia I hano mahu inga, pēa toi whamanatu mai kia te au, ke utui ai te ungani, aki ho kuloto, mo kutui, koe whaunga e ni o tonga, o kou lau kauai I e ngai aho ni. O kou loto lelei ke whahatu I he pepini, koe teunga koe ni, koe ngāo ia ki e eku kawatu, ki he whaape ki he au au kua pepiai, oe aho alo I hotau hau, ki tumo wono. Koe niko niko I whoki ai te wani, ne whaia e he kau, leiti o e hala le rue. Tua o wātu, mahaloa vito, Mr. Breakfast, Nasita Production.
Mr. Francis Nasita Production, Lolohea Salome Leakina Opabayangina is 21 years old. She is currently studying tourism at the International Travel College of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Her goal in the future is to become a flight attendant, teach tourism, or work anywhere in the tourism industry. She hopes to gain confidence in the pageant and hoping that it will be to help her find her inner self. Ladies and gentlemen, this is contestant 13, Mr. Praxis Nasita Production, Lolohea Salome Leakina He Opa Waiangina. And as contestant number 13 exits our stage this evening, it's important that we highlight tonight that our distinguished judges spent a specific time earlier this evening taking a close inspection of all the island creations and also having a discussion with their designers as well as with our contestants this evening about their island creation. Ki mua pia kamata ai polokalama o poni. Na e whamahoko hawhatongia makehe e kau whakamau, aki e nau wakai, mo whai hawhi pōtala noa aki, mo e kau designer, kau maa whoki e kau pina mui I he pōni, ki mua ia te kamata ai whi auhi I he whia whini. Tau hongwato le vaini ki contestant Whika Tahaua. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to contestant number 12. Please put your hands together for Miss SNS Trading USA, Yehenara Pepita Holeva Lifosia o Papalolo Penenato Tupo Tuipulotu Soko. This is contestant number 12. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Miss SNS USA's Island Creation celebrates the flower that headlines our celebration this year, every year, right here in our beautiful kingdom of Tonga, our beloved Heilala. Over 200 little Heilala flowers have been hand-sewn out of kafa, or coconut fibre sinnet, and placed around Yehenara's train, scented with black pearls. The train is made entirely of fihu and tailored perfectly to fit her silhouette. The Heilala flowers that border her train symbolize herself along with her 24 fellow contestant sisters. Yehenara would like to dedicate this portion of her island creation to her beautiful Heilala sisters. Each flower has each contestant's name personally engraved by hand into the mother of pearl shells. Miss SNS USA sends this message tonight. To my dear sisters, we must not let the outside world or social media tear us down. Instead, we must celebrate each other in successful moments and uplift one another in our times of weakness. The real competition is not against each other, it's against the person we were yesterday. We get better today, we'll grow even more tomorrow. I love you girls, thank you for making my Heilala experience one I will never forget. Miss SNS USA continues her island creation by revealing her final look, an elegant, clean mermaid gown with a creative twist. It is sewn to fit her petite figure seamlessly. The details of her gown have all been hand-appliqued or hand-sewn to her gown. Hundreds of mother-of-pearl shells have been crushed and placed throughout her gown, and her arm details are made of kaffa, embellished with black pearls. The back details of her gown are handmade crafting of mother-of-pearl shells, black pearls, fihu, and kaffa. Yehenara's island creation design epitomizes femininity, especially in our Tongan society. We as Whawhine Tonga must be examples ourselves of humility, respect, and love for one another, our community, our families, and ourselves. This example will nurture our future generations of Tongan women to become successful, healthy, and strong leaders in our country and throughout the world. Miss SNS USA Trading in her island creation. Mo pasmasi imay ay contestant Vika Tahawa, SNS Trading USA, Yehenara, Fevita, Holeva Lifosia o Famololo Pelenatu Tupo, Tuipolotu, Soko. I'm sure, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, you are enjoying the stunning and amazing island creations being showcased on our Heilala stage this evening. Let's move along now to contestant number 11. Hokatole Baili ki he contestant Vika Taha. Miss Makawheke Resort, ladies and gentlemen, Arden o Halekulani Whātai.
Miss Makawheke Resort, Arden Halekulani Whātai. Tulou, te tala mo ka mui, ka uhawa tuhe, ke whakakato whatongia, ke kātoanga o e Heilala Wāwhetahiwa. Ko e teunga Island Creation no Miss Makawheke Resort i e pōni, o guanga peheti. I he otu motu lalo i wawau eni, na iaiha Island Goddess, na e noko i he motu koaa, i he waa ko ia o patamaka pe mo whalewai, mo i motu ko oto. Ko e ne terto i ngā we, ka wakai atu ki a waka whalau, o utala mou hono kautanga rā, bea gune he amai o asi atu ano te unga. Ko e mala, ka hi rātu ha tangata o au ki ai, ko pau ke no whai me honoloto i he motuni. Bea e toki a wangai me he hoi hoi fua o e tangata koe ni. Ko e tupua ngaia o e rea tonga ko e sio me ka koe ia. Ko i ai, he ka waka motokanga ko e Island Goddess eni, me he matapā ki he taulanga puatale kusi, o kuwau mai e boni ke poupou ki he tonga masani o e Wāwhetahiwa. Kono tewa Island Creation, koe ngahi esi whingota mo longa kau, mo ngahi nau matata i Makawheke Resort, me Manamaka, aia o kupae mo o mai e pe au. Koe ui koe mauinga o tonga masani, o kutālaki mai o whakateunga aki, koe Island Goddess, me he otu motu lalo. Koe teunga o kutaku, koe kau tahine pe o e otu motu o kunau tui. Whakatakau ki ono hoi hoi fua whanatula ke naua ewa ia matātai masani o e Makawheke Resort. Koe ui koe mauinga e tonga masani o ko tui ai Miss Makawheke Resort. O tui ai Miss Makawheke Resort o mauinga ai nau o natula o ko aunga ai akau nges wingotra one ke tui ko ia o e wala poki. O wala hiatu Miss Makawheke Resort. Aden halai kulani Fatai.
Aden is 22 years old, was born and raised in Pangai Motu Vava'o, where she attended GPS Pangai Motu Primary and then went on to Vava'o High School. After she graduated, she attended the Tonga Institute of Education, where she then graduated and is now a teacher at Vava'o High School. Aden's father is from Pangai Motu Vava'o and Ofu Island, and her mother is from Leima Toa Vava'o. From the Lola Halai Valu, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 11, Miss Makawheke Resort, Aden o Halikulani Fatai. O iki mō kaina. Te tau hoko ata lewa ini ki he contestant whika honga fulu. Contestant number 10 this evening, Miss Langakali e vai ko puna, Peti Naa i o tambo. Tulo, o eiki mo kainga. Tōku Teunga Island Creation te weekend hei lava. Uluaki. Te kamata ia i aho uluaki, koe aho whakawhiiloaki. Ko hoku kofu, koe kofu kie, na e pelu whakamatei. Whakatapa aki ai kie na lau sei. Ta o wala, aki ai tuua tonga, pe no aki ai ngafi pelu whakawawakai. Hua, koe aho a ahi ki e whanau i whare maha ki. Ko hoku kakei, koe kofu, ngau, mei he lai pulu, whaka i aki ai lai kaka, pia kie aki ai ge esi matai tofe o o seni. Tolu, koe efi whaka sosiale. Ko hoku kake, koe ngafi, nai tā pelu o whakawhiunga o efi whakawhiawhia, kie aki ai ge esi tofe. Matala aki ai hei lala. Su moe pēsi, nai ngāwi aki ai ngafi moe puri o tō. Whā, koe aho sāpate, ko ko teunga ki he loto. Koe whihu, pia tā pelu whakapau aki ai whihu, kie, ka hoa o teki aki ai fulu i kaka. Nima, koe aho presentation. Ko ko kakei, koe kofu whakahaapai, ngāwi aki ai kie nei pelu whakamate, moi ngāhi matalai lile nei whi aki ai lai kie. Ne whakalanu, matala aki ai kie nei whakaahu. Pitoi aki ai lose, ngauhi mei he wheta aki. I he ewhi a whini, o ko pehe ke o tau pātetele. Koe te uka ki a apisia, o ka hoko hapekia. Koe whakahao i tengi hia, o e whakaapa. O ko ngāwi aki ai kie whatuwha nai la langa, te tafu o whakaahu. Te pelo whakai o whakaholo hifo, a hono ave. Ko hoku te unga whakaosi, koi kofu e fu. Me ngauhi aki ai whihu, tau whatuwha, me tuiki ai, ai kato uri, ai kosi whakalawa. Pea aki tua aki, ai ave lo kie, me ha alo pea whi, o milohu whakatua niu. Ko hoku I, lau kau anga ki aho katoanga o e heilala. Ko kotoa e ko ngahi teu Island Creation. Teunga e fitu, o wau whakawhanua ke kehe e fitu. Ko e nima mea aia, o e whakahiki tama si e ko whakawhae. Me he api ko kahaua, mo e vai ko kanakana. Tua o whātu, Miss Langakali, o e vai ko puna, Miss Peti Naa Yutako. Gentlemen, that was contestant number 10 on the stage. Langakali e Vaiko Pula, Peti Naa Yutamo. Okwato Levaini ki contestant Thika Hiva. Moving now to contestant number 9. Miss Terra Pacific Australia, Nonia Akanete Tetelo. Is 20 years of age, currently working as a childcare educator and also studying in childcare to further her education and knowledge. She enjoys babysitting, spending time with her family, playing netball, going to the gym and Polynesian dancing. Nonia aspires to utilize her knowledge and skills as a childcare educator to become a primary school teacher and help in assisting the younger generation in appreciating the significance of education. She loves her Tongan culture and loves to learn more through dancing and singing and regularly participating in community events which allows her to showcase her love for the beautiful island kingdom of Tonga. Whamatalaini o te unga o Miss Terra Pacific Australia, ki olo te unga Island Creation. Te o whakatulo watu he, he moho eiki mo ngahi haatupua e whonua, o ku wha whakatapua. Whakatulo watu pe mo haavavanga mo haatu whungalea, kai ata ki ki iwi no mo tuatu ani, ki o whakatalano atu ki hoku te unga Island Creation. Ko hoku ka ke i tua ko I misi o e fo e kelea. Ko i kelea, ko i nau whakaongo, pe nau tupua na ngāwe aki he kau kai vai, mo kau whalau tahi o no aho, ki he tala whekau, pe mo whakaongo. Ko i kelea, ko i koloa tupua, mo i siueri o seni o Tonga, mo i otu Pasifiki. Ko na au fitua o e kelea, ko i wheta aki, na amusi, mei he ngowe o i ku whakawha e tangata, mei he api ko taki, me he wasi laa, mo i siale hai wala. O ko tohi whakalano tala aki e tongo ne tā mo ngā uhi me he vai o niu taua. Ko ku kawha nei tā mo whi me niu me he utolo moa mea me he ape ko heketa. O ka tatala hoku a ofi tua, o ku whakateunga aki hoku ka ke i loto, ai wheta aki mea huluni mai aki e tofe mo e whi kawha. Ko hoku ka ke i loto, koi kofu o ku tui aki ai wheta aki, pe whakalano o whakataipe a hono tuunga ki e lano e o seni mo e moana loloto. O ku musi i ai pea mo e ngahi i misi o e ngahi i kai, o e ngahi ika mo e mea mo ui o seni. Ko ku konga loto, o ku pine ki ai mo e ngahi i misi o e ngahi mea mo ui o seni, pe no o taki ki ai mo e ngahi konga wheta aki, o whakataipe ko tau ngahi mata whanga mo ngahi hakau tupu ai whonua o ko whia mao ke tau malungi. Mo tauhi, te lia na auhia mo wesia e ngahi whiniruaki o ea. Ko ku te unga kakato, ko ne osi whakamatala i kakato atu e masani o ngahi naunau mo ngahi koloa maho inga o seni. E ngata he e ku whakamatala, e ko wato e hoko te unga a ngahi whekao maho inga ki tonga kotoa. O maho inga ke tauni o tau ngahi mata whanga, mo tau o seni ke maa mo whakawhaofa ki whalau e wewa. Tau tai whakapoto e ngahi naunau mo e mea mo ui o seni, koe mauanga mo ui ai tonga. He tauhi e ta ngahi mata whanga, Oua e tā e tongo o tatai o ne one i ho tau ngahi mata whanga, he e au hia, he wesia ai ho tau whonua i ngahi whiniruaki ai ea o nā tula. Tauhia tonga ke whaka ofa mo masani, tua ofa e ki atu, Miss Terra, Pacific Australia, no nia akenete petilo contestant number 9. Gentlemen, we are currently enjoying the island creation of our Miss Hilala Beauty Pageant for the year 2019. This, of course, is the third judge category this evening, which is the island creation and sarong or beachwear tonight. Let's move now to contestant number 8. Contestant number 8 is Miss Hapai Tourism Mele Halaivalu V Malafu.
Miss Hapai Tourism Halaivalu V Malafu. Whanurou mea moe tala kua puaki. Kau lawe atu ke te unga Island Creations o e Miss Hapai Tourism. Wapitahi wa Miss Mele Halaivalu V Malafu. I o neo o e kutaka i tonga e kini, pe i purina, ka te u si kāwei pe a haapai i a te au. Ne lawe ki ai, i o ai mai moa e kuini o wheina tonga ko unga whanua. Neo o apia mo Hawaii, sai pe si tonga ko Siweli e Pasifiki. Ka raki pe hau eki mo si kai ngā whanua. Hei kai, te utoi whamatala o te unga, he koe muri pe tene ekea. I o koe akautu whanua hapai, pea koe tawhenga ekonomika, koe loa kau, pea moe whau, o ku peru, pea ni lei. I o ko osi whamatala i ka kato atu pe, e ngai lanu au. Ko Mele Halaivalu V Malafu, Miss Hapai Tourism.
Mele Halaivalu V Malafu is 21 years old, hails from Tongamamao, Niufo'o, Takimoyaka, Pakimoitoi, Otumomua, Halululunga, Vahinifuka, Pangai, Ha'apai. tau hoko ato le vai e ki he whenimui whika whitu I he tau Island Creation he pōni. Ko e contestant whika whitu. Miss Cruise Ship, Sia I Lome Peau, Tui Polotu.
Ko e teunga o e Miss Cruise ki he Island Creation o ku ngahia me he whetaki ne a musi me he kaua motua e amiko e malata bea mo e fu hei lala ko whakamaringa ki waha ki e fu whetau tupoa o e otu sitoa ko e laiki e hono te ngane taia me he ulu ki e o e api ko vainga anga o e hako tupo e whonua ko e kawa pulu ne whiia me he wharekasa mo e mamaloa e kau pepine me he lalo o wawa fisi o wha o ne lua. Pea koe nge stofe pe mo e poe ki o e te ungani ne tuwhia me he whanga ko whare tutolu. Miss Cruisins.
And Miss Cruise Ships is currently a tourist officer at the Tonga Tourism Authority. Moving along now with our Island Creation here on the Heilala pageant stage of 2019 here in Nuku'alofa. Let's check out contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka.
Tulong mo fuga o kulingia. Kada mo ang whainga maari koe ni ke tala noa ke o te unga. Koe ngatu uri. Nai ngauhi he ku whanga whae. Me he hiapo, nai tō me a musia, me he hala lulunga. Isa ai sala wea, mo e funga matahiwa me ha whewa hapai. Pea mo e api ko taua sisi, me loto nei apu, mo e lolo alai walu, me maulahi. Ko e kupesi, ko e toke lau wheretoa, ka alo manulua, pea mo e kafa pulu, nai whi pea kako ia e family eiki tangata eiki me hifo, a hau mo e whola o si, pea mo e niutu tolu me karopolo. Ngai stofe pea mo e tofe, ko e ukufi kotoa ia me he funga vei mumuni me toula vavao. Pea nai ngau ia pe api, ko lea ngalu, mo e sia amoka e oku whanga me tanga. Ko e kalauni ko ngai stofe, matai tofe o ngingila, e ko e whena moakia i he pupua tangi, ko e funga vei mumuni, mo e one lau momo, o e whanga i he ahi o ulakai. Nges wingota, ko e fungati, ko e whawae, ko e lai paongo, ko e nges kelea na tuvia me e kirikiri te pua. Pea mo mata moana me makawe wawao. Longa kau ko e lai paongo, ko e whawae o e lai paongo na ngaui, pea lalanga ia e ku whangawhae, me funga analilo wao nuka, mo e wao mataki me hunga wawao. Whakawabatu, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka.
Contestant number 6, Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka, is currently working as an intern for Fiji Airways. She is also currently studying towards a major in hospitality and tourism with a minor in Pacific Island Studies at Brigham Young University in Hawaii. She's 24 years old, ladies and gentlemen, born in Tofoa. and attended GPS Dola before moving to Saineha High School where she graduated. This is contestant number 6 on the Heilala stage, Miss Tonga Tourism Denise Vaiolima Hafoka. Contestant number 5, ladies and gentlemen, takes us across the seas to the beautiful island of Ewa, ladies and gentlemen. Koe, contestant Vinganima, please welcome Miss Ewa Tourism, Emeline Lowena Mamatoki Napa'a.
Kore ke uwhanga i e tala whatapu ko a whaki. Ka u lawe lawe ki e Teunga Island Creation o Miss Ewa Tourism. Ko e Teunga Island Creation a Miss Emeline Lowena Mamatoki Napa ke pōni. O ku ngai aki ai whetaaki na e whakapā pea opo opo e ne whangawhae i e api ko nasi ki monu. Pea tuitui mo sani e tōnga whine mātoa e whunga whanua. Kono te wā o ku teu te waki ai maile lanmata. Pea mo e kurutuma mehi paake whanua o e vai whanua e wā. Pea ne unu i he matātahi o uwhilei. Pea lano i he vai ko kahana. O loloi me toinga lolo koia pita lolo taua topua me Olimpiki. Pea kono ko hoki. O ku whakatau mua ke te whakananiwi aki ki e kānoa ngā mari whakatoha. Whai aho, pe mo whamei te tau o runga i o ki ha whahinga maalari whakonua. Kono sei o ngahia mei he whetaaki, ngatu, maile, kurutuma pea moealo. Kono hau, ngahia mei ngesniu. Kono su o teuteuga ki e whetaaki. Kono pulu-pulu o ngahia me whetaaki, maile, pea pāki ki ai e mapeo ewa aki ai kurutuma. Kātoa e kopu koe Miss Ewa Tourism o komaia me he National Rainforest koia ewa ke whakamahilo o ku kei tauhi pe mo tūloa ai whakaofa whanatula o mau ki motu ataha i he Kingdom of Tonga. Pea koe tokoni lelei ko ki eni, ki e preserving e tau kausa, e tūloa mo masani foki, ki e taki mamata mo e manakoa, hota ngei a whakatonga, malo au pito, tua ofa e ki atu.
Miss Ewa Tourism hails from the villages of Ohonoa Ewa, Golo Hapai, E Sianiua Fo'o, and Pea Tongatapu. She was born at the New Eki Hospital in Angaha, in the beautiful island of Ewa. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, Miss Ewa Tourism, Emeline Lowena Mamatoki Napa'a. Trust you're enjoying our island creation component of our Miss Heilala Beauty Pageant this evening, coming to you live on the internet to our overseas audience and of course on the television and radio right across the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage now contestant number 4. Hokwatoni contestant Tigawha, Miss Salone Accounting Services, Manutu Whanga Lave Mai, mo paspasi mai a contestant Tigawha.
I o tuku pe mua ke uwhanga atu he toka malu e whatu whanua. Kai tō ki tahi hoku waka he ko manoki ai pāka kāla o e hau whanga. Isa ko e aho o e wale i he whatu tama manawa o takitaha whakahaha kono nipa mea a. Seuke ai longa nai takai o tuku ke wata ke toki tō pe he aho o kātoa. Ko e Teunga Island Creation ai Miss Salone, ko koe whakataipe ki e whiakotaki anga koe a haamoa pia motonga. Kono pui pui tua, koe lau kie, koe mea o whaia, ai mana ia mei tonga ki he tau o haamoa. He ukei whetu waki pe ai o momotoni, pia moe whakamahalo, o kuki e haamoa i tongani, kai ie tonga i haamoa. Ko teunga Island Creation koe ao ao kakala beia, me he ngahi nau nau o mau me he whetu o te lele mai me ai. Koe loa kau, koe lo ki e nai tohia he kukui pupine, me api ko salai lua sawai. Bea toki tohi whe umu, momo momo iki he kufanga whae me api ko whasia, hala tonga lewa longo teme. Koe pau nai tāia he kufanga tamai, me he maka hili taha. Bea pungania ke koe siriwa o piu tamai. Kou sei, koe lai ki e tonga, lai pungania ke koe siriwa o piu tamai. Iyo kou sei, koe lai ki e tonga ia, lai paki i mai ia, he ku meitanga me api ko taptapo ki. Ko usu, koe ngau e whamea aia e ku whangapai tangata, me hala whātima mei longo tepe. Nai ngau e whatahau whāpili i e pō moe aho ke molu mo mata mata lelei hongo teunga ke whamahino ne ukauanga mamau mai me taau me he wāhenga vikatoria ke ukaua tomua hono teke teke ai mai moa oi hau ka koe tui o tonga. Tua opa eki atu i o matu whanga lawe mai.
Ko mano tu whanga lawe mai o tau mo fulu, nei whaine i au kalani no sila ka nei tupo hake i Marapoane, Australia. O kolotonga ko whokia i University Katolika o Australia ki ona matai tohi i he ati. Ladies and gentlemen, this is contestant number 4 gracing our stage right now, Miss Salone Accounting Services, Manatu Whanga Lawe Mai. Toi whakaholua mata ngahi teunga Island Creation o kuwhangariari he tauwhunga Stacey e Pōni hei he kolo whamanatu Queen Salote i loto nuku alofa. Hoku atu le mai ke contestant Fika Tolu. Moving along now to our third contestant in our Island Creation category. Please put your hands together for Miss Alovili Holmes, Melefefita Priscilla Jane Alovili. Miss Alovili comes all the way from Brisbane, Australia, with her support crew of her brothers and cousins, all the way from Australia. She's being escorted in this evening, chaperoned by her father. Mo pasmasi imai, Miss Alovili Holmes, Melefefita Priscilla Jane Alovili, Lele mai me Brisbane, Australia.
Tulong mo e talamalo e whanua.
My Island Creation I hold so special to my heart. Not only because I was able to design it with my cousin and founder of Urban Chaos, Victoria Nauru, and made by a close friend of mine, Andy, but it also tells a story of my past, my present, and my future. The shells on my shoulder, present the many trials I have been through and still go through. The pearls coming off my shoulders and off the shells and hanging near my chest are a symbol of how no matter the hardship there is, always a lesson, beauty is on the other side. The Tongan designs displayed is a reminder of my culture, my love for Tonga and my family. It's a reminder, even though I live in Australia, that I am still enriched with my Tongan heritage. My Cinderella skirt and kia kia is another resemblance of my past, of all the baggage I once carried with me. But through so much trial and error and God's love for me, I have been able to let go of many burdens that weighed me down. Leaving that behind, I have also been able to keep some of the trials, kia kia, I've been through, helping me to become the lady I know I can become. This tiara, presented, and my sash, is just another reward of things I was able to gain from the hardship that I have faced. Alovili Home being my way of spreading mental health awareness to my Polynesian brothers and sisters. And this tiara, a reminder of not just my worth as a young woman, but a reminder that I am a daughter of a king. Ladies and gentlemen, from Brisbane, Australia, Miss Alovili Homes, Melifavita Basila Jane Alovili, contestant number 3.
Tulou mea moe talamalo e whanua, kau whakamalmala tuhe, pea tala mo ka abui pea moha whaiwa o e malae. Kau hulo wifi atuai pea moe kolosi neha ia kau whakalawa. Kai ata mua moau, Melifavita Basila Alovili, ke ukau atu i he pouake mai moa hikfonua, ke tau e langi o haa poe o kou, pea moha ata konua, kau lawe lawe atu ki hoku kakei. Ko hoku kakei koe ngatu. Koe whetaaki te whakapā, whakatohere o toki opo opo, he ku whanga kui pepine, me he whau tau me, pea tāgia e kupesi, whakamanulua, ke talai au tonga mo e kaliloa tūloa, o e kalopiama, ne tā e ku kui, ko simaima mo e neike, mo e ne tutua, i e lalo tui tui e api ko manawha. Paeong, pe mo yongo misnari, ne na tuuta he whanga ko whongolua, o mi anga ia o e māma ki tonga. O fuani aki hoku kakei ai ngesi, puhi puhi o e whanga ko whereponu, i e hu whangalupe. Pea tāmani ai e tofe uri uri, ne ukupi he ku whanga tuasina me he kolo whalahola. Ko hoku noo ko e kia kia kapa, ne vi me he pulu niu o e api ko oduki e. Pea whakalahi aki a kapa pulu, me he vai ko whereponu. Ko e whawai huka ke i, o ngauhia me whau, o e olo olo o e haupa te te pā, vai ko where ngā. Pea fuani aki a whau kula, me he esi o tau pā. Ko hoku pane ulu ko e me estaha, ne ukupi me he ongo maka koia kaloapu po teu iwa. Pea lavai o kako kako, ke nau whetui tui aki, a e kapa pulu. Ko e whakananiwi au ku whanga meitanga, me he manolea. Io ke hoa pe toki whakalekesi aki, a e tofe hina o e taulanga pua talepusi. Wisa, te ngata he, na toki tua pe toki loi a ngeia, tā koe se te lele mai me he kolo parahola, e siko ele noa, mo e Alovili hou, hou whakalupe.
Obrigado, Mokaina. Contestant Tingatomu from Stacey, Miss Alovili Homes, May Brisbane, Australia, Melifavita Priscilla Jane Alovili. Next to grace our stage, Our second last contestant, going in our order from 25 down to 1. In our order of contestants here on the stage at Heilala Pageant 2019. Contestant number 2 is Miss Fe'unukola Fe'ofaaki Kehaulani Laula. Miss Fe'unukola is 18 years of age. She's studying makeup artistry at the Face and Beauty Academy in the Bay of Plenty in Tauranga in Aotearoa, New Zealand. She is super proud to be representing Miss Fe'unukola Aotearoa, New Zealand for 2019. She hails from the villages of Ahau, Kolomotua, Ahio Ulakai, Tuituio Tamale, Kolomotua, Utulonga'a, Makahokobalu, Otukinakina, Pemoe Hostea. O Ikamokainga, Mo Paspasi Mai, contestant Fikau and Funga Stacy, Fe'unukola, Fe'ofaaki Kehaulani Laula.
Io koe te unga koe ngā o e whirimui whariare taimini o kainga toi hela whamatala mō mea me mō tōru koe whetaaki moe kapa.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, let's move along now to our final contestant in our Island Creation category here on the Heilala Pageant stage for 2019. As you know, we've explained a little bit earlier that we are running in reverse order this evening. Nokulele whakaholomoia, hokuhokokoia, o e kauwhinamoia pohoni he Island Creation. Kamata me I he contestant Whiko Wanima o hokohoko ifo I he uluaki. Pero uluaki e ni te tau hoko atu ki ai I he taimini. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage our last contestant for Island Creation, contestant number 1, Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Soana Falahola Aleva. Island Creation for Miss Tui Tui Fashion 2019, Miss Soana Falahola Aleva. Her island creation is made from Kiitonga, Mataitofe, and Kafa or Sinnet. Kiitonga, Kihingoa, they are mats of power, of rank, prestige, and history in our island kingdom. Miss Tui Tui Fashion believes that the most important and powerful objects in Tonga is Kihingoa, made of plaited bandana sleeves. They represent heirlooms, passed in our families from generation to generation as treasures. Kiitonga also symbolizes purity, and Miss Tui Tui believes it's important for a Tongan tahine to keep her purity until her wedding day. On her island creation is also decorated with lustrous pearls that is of great value and very rare to find and symbolize true beauty that a Tongan woman possesses when seeking God first before any worldly needs. And the last treasure uses for her island creation tonight is the coconut sinnet, which symbolized unity in all circles of the Tongan society. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Ofahatu from Miss Tui Tui Fashion 2019, Miss Soana Falahola Aleva from Auckland, New Zealand. O ika mo kai ko tawa mai ne ki ngā taanga o i ulua ki konga ko ia o i tau whiau he pōni ai ko Island Creation. E o teo teo eni kia whai ai tema whaka ofa mo whakaholo mamata ko teo teo i mai he kauwhini mo he pōni. Kei lolo tonga ko ia nau teo teo ki ai po kā taki. Tulo atu pe mua, kai whakahoko atu, ai whakamalo ki ngahi businessi mo i ngau ngahi kautaha ko ia. Ko nau pōpō, o tawani mai ke lawa o whakahoko ai whiau hi Miss Heilala o i taoni. Ladies and gentlemen, that does conclude the first portion of this evening's program. That is, of course, the category of our Island Creation. Very shortly, our beautiful tahines will come back on the stage with a lovely item to showcase for you this evening. Whilst allowing and affording them some time to prepare for their item, please give me a moment to acknowledge our corporate sponsors who have ensured that this week's and this